Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. Get a little adjustment here. We want to talk about gutter cleaning. Just training video or just understanding our policies and processes for Clean Power Wash. With any gutter cleaning, we are going to hand scoop that out. Obviously, we've got our gloves, put those on. Use the gutter tool so we can pull as much, get as much from the ladder. Obviously, if it's a walkable roof, get up on there and hand scoop that out. Once that has been done and the bulk of the debris has been removed, then take water to flush the system. The only time that you're allowed to do a full, not hand scooping, we're just blasting the stuff out, is if there is zero landscaping. Otherwise, if there's landscaping, we still have too much stuff to clean up. The process is not professional when we're just blasting stuff out. And quite frankly, it needs to be done that way. People are going to pay a premium for it, and we'll make it worth that and provide a better service than just blasting crap out of their gutters. So that's the simple part of it. Take a 5-gallon bucket if you need to, or have a smaller tarp so you can dump it down into it. The majority of the time, just make sure it's okay with the customer. If they got a wooded lot, we will dump the debris back there. If it's if it's not that, or they don't want us to dump it back there, then bring it back. We'll put it in the burn pile and take care of it there. So that is our gutter cleaning process and policy. Thanks.